JBL just changed the game for small speakers. This is the brand new JBL Go 5, and while it still fits in the palm of your hand, it's hiding a massive new feature that the Go 4 never had. Let's get this unboxed. Inside, you get the speaker, the updated braided strap, but today we aren't just talking about sound, we're talking about the vibe. Check this out. This is the Ambient Edge lighting. It's a soft, mood-boosting glow that wraps around the frame. It's not just for looks though, it actually gives you visual cues for pairing, battery life, and even when you're in Auracast mode. It makes the speaker look way more premium, especially in low light. But the real magic happens when you open the app. To really control this, you need the JBL Portable App. Once you're in, you'll see the light themes. There are 4 main options you need to try. Bounce. The light reacts and jumps around the edge. Perfect for high energy tracks. Loop. A smooth continuous flow that circles the speaker. Switch. This flips the colors and patterns back and forth. Freeze, my personal favorite for late night vibes. It holds a solid, steady glow of your choice. So how to change color on this speaker? It's single color design. The Go 5 is designed to have a single lighting color that matches the speaker itself, so you cannot select different RGB colors. Now, even though we aren't doing a sound test today, I have to show you the equalizer settings. Unlike older models, the Go 5 gives you a full 7-band EQ in the app. This means you can boost the bass if you're outdoors, or crank up the treble for clearer vocals if you're listening to a podcast. You can save your own custom presets so it sounds exactly how you want it every time you turn it on. The JBL Go 5 is more than just a loud pocket speaker now, it's a mood setter. Between the edge lighting and the pro level EQ, it's easily the best value speaker out right now. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and let me know. Which light mode are you picking? Bounce or freeze? I'll see you in the next review.